1 minute. Oh my fucking god. Hello motherfuckers.
Hello guys, and my name is Zee.
My name is Paul. We are
Zippo! Banana. We are going to show it to you how to open a Zippo. Really nice, guys.
Okay, first
you will need a Zippo. Okay, and second,
we will need hands.
hands. How you open a Zippo without hands?
If you show
First, I will show you, and then my friend Paul will explain. First of all, you're gonna do this.
Oh my god. We'll hold its part, okay? And we'll put it. Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Let's go. Thanks everyone.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, thanks for watching, and remember, my name is Z.
My name is Paul.
And we are
Zippo.
Paul. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at my pika.
My name is Z.
My name is Paul. Yeah. Oh, motherfucker, bitch.